In this video we will learn how to install the current SQL version on Windows 10. So let us start. At first go to the web browser. On Google type SQL Server and press enter. The official website is visible, click on it. So SQL Server is owned by Microsoft. So here is the link. We will also mention this link in the video description. After reaching here, click the downloads menu. Now you can see Microsoft SQL Server download section is visible. Go below. Here SQL Server 2025 versions are visible. So this is the current version of SQL. We will go for the Express edition, which is the following. It is freely available. Click the download now button. The download completed. This is the installer file. Right click the exe file and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Select an installation type. We will go for the basic installation. After that, here is the license terms. Click accept. SQL will get installed in the following location under program files. No problem. It will only take 727 MB. Click install. Now the Express edition will download and then install. Let's wait. It downloaded successfully. Now it will install. Its written installation has completed successfully. This is the connection string which is used to connect SQL with programming languages like Java, Python and others. This is the log folder where all your errors can be seen. This is the media folder and the following is the installation resources folder. I'll click connect now. So if the following is visible, that means we successfully installed it. Okay. Now I'll install SSMS. SSMS is SQL Server Management Studio, a UI to work with SQL. This will ease your work when you learn SQL. So I'll click install SSMS. So here is the official website by Microsoft. Okay, so I don't need to worry about this. This is the official link. Directly click download SQL Server Management Studio. I clicked on it and the download started. It completed. Here is the installer file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Now here you can see it is asking us to continue. So this will install Visual Studio only for SQL. Okay, so you just need to wait. It first downloaded. Now it is installing. Now from here you need to select the components for SSMS. So I'll select all four of them: AI assistance, business intelligence, hybrid and migration, and code tools. Now after selecting all four of them, here you can see it will take 3.55 GB and it will also install while downloading. So just click install. Now the download and installation will begin. This is the last step. Okay, let's wait. So now the download and installation will begin. This is the last step. Let's wait. The installation completed. It's written done installing. You can now restart Windows. Click OK. You can also directly click the launch button. But what we'll do, we will restart first. Close this. Let's restart. We restarted our system. Now to begin with SQL, go to start. Type SQL Server Management Studio. Now you can see it's visible. Click open. Click skip and add accounts later. Now you can see connection properties are visible. We need to add a server name. So here we need to know the device name. So for that, go to start, type about, click open under about your PC. The device name is Amit-Dell. After that, mention /SQL Express. Okay, that's it. Here your username also depicts the same. That is your device name, so you don't need to check the device name like this. After that, under encrypt, select optional. Click connect. Now our SQL connected. Here you can see databases are visible. Click on it. So these are the default databases. If you want to create a new database, you can right click and click new database, or you can click new query. Now I'll type a command so that I can create a new database. Type the command create database and then the database name. So here the database name is AmitDB. You can add any name to your database here. So I have added AmitDB. After that, click execute. Now commands completed successfully. Okay, that means we successfully created a database. Here you can select 150. Okay, now it's fine. After that, click refresh and now your database will be visible here. Here it is. Now to create a table, you can right click on tables and click new. So for a free SQL tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have explained all the steps to create a database table and perform all the operations.